How to download Youku application on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on a lookout for great Chinese shows and movies, then downloading the Youku app on your Android device is easier than you think. First of all, open your Google Play Store and also make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and in the search box, type in Youku and search. Look for this application that says Youku Drama Film Show Anime from Youku. Open the app's info section and tap on the install button to begin the download process. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once you are done with the download, click on the open button to launch open Youku application on your Android device. So there you have it. That is how you can download and install the Youku application on your Android, whether you are using a mobile device or tablets. Now the next thing is to go ahead and click the Me button at the bottom right and choose Login or Sign Up option. Sign up for the account by following through the instructions and you'll be able to enjoy your favorite shows right on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.